In this video, I'm going to show you how to redact in CutePDF. Now, the first thing I have to tell you is that CutePDF doesn't have a native function or button which is going to allow you to redact. So I basically found a workaround which isn't really same as redacting. However, it comes very close to it and you can still use it. So let me actually show you how to do this. Now, what you want to do is go to Tools up top, and then you want to go to Commenting, you want to hover over it, and you want to click on Rectangle tool. Now, whenever you do this, it's going to open this editor over here, and then what you have to do is select the rectangle up top. You want to kind of hover over and highlight whatever you want redacted. So I'm going to go over this title over here like this, and then what you have to do is simply right click on the rectangle and click on Properties. Now, whenever you do this here, you can switch the fill color to on, and you can change the color. So it could be white, it could be black, whatever you want to use. I'm going to go with black, and I'm going to leave opacity and thickness like it is, and I'm going to click on OK. Now, as you can see, it's going to make kind of a redaction rectangle over here, and what you can then do is just copy it and of course place it wherever you want, and that way you are kind of redacting. Now again, it's not the same. People may still be able to copy what's behind there, but if you just want to hide some things like from appearing, you could do that. Okay, you could use any other colors as well if you wanted to, and that's how I would do it. Now again, you could go and just keep on drawing these, but if you keep on drawing these, you're gonna have to customize each and every single one. You can just click on one of them and you can right click copy and then right click paste, and it's gonna get pasted always here in the top left. You can then move it around, you can resize it, and that way you can essentially redact the entire document. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.